What do you reckon, Frank? 17%. I think it's only short though. Doesn't seem that bad. Obviously this guy's friend's a lot better climber than he is. Now it's starting to get hard. Catch you later. Woodwork there. The guy in red's from Treviso. And have a look at the scenery down there. We're going higher and higher. Lucky guy with his motorbike. Scusa, come ti chiami?
Matteo.
Matteo, Sebastiano è tuo amico, eh?
Sì, Matteo. Lui è Gianni.
Gianni. Ciao Gianni. Andiamo avanti.
Su, via.
Okay. He's a pretty big guy.
Ogni anno vieni in Italia.
Quasi.
Quasi. Sei innamorato dell'Italia allora?
Sì, e biciclette.
Di biciclette?
Yeah. Love my bikes. Let's go on and see what happens. Looks like we're at the back of Grappa there. Just copped a section of 10-11 and mercifully it's eased. Hopefully it will get me to the summit a bit easier. You can afford to go harder gears. Where I'll be going. Nice flock of sheep up ahead, over there. See those switchbacks up there? That's where we got to go up to. Oh, fun. Oh, this is a bit of downhill. And get over and done with, eh? The odd cow or two, donkey. Where from or what road that was, I've no idea. I'm wondering if I'll need my spray jacket. Oh, I might wear it for a little while on the way down. A refuge. Okay, what a difference from one side of the mountain to the other. 2.4. Aha. All right. Now I know where we are. You can either go up to there and finish it off, 2.4 k's, or you can go straight down. I reckon I'll bugger it. 2 k's, that won't kill me. Famous last words? I don't know. Let's go. Buongiorno. Come Duro sì. Hard, yes. Caserma Milano. Let me get the last smack in the face to get up there. Nearly 2,000 meters climbing in 87 k's. Almost done. Almost 50 meters.
Bravo.
L'ho fatto.
Bravo.
Finally made it. Wow. Nice Giacchetti. And here we are. We're done. Cima Grappa again. The other way. Unfortunately, there's a lot of smog around over the other side.